Hello everyone, this is Rosie from Lvxin Packaging. Today we would like to show you our new packaging portrait for tomato sauce. Looking like this. This is made from recycled paper and can be biodegradable within 3 months. So this is eco-friendly and biodegradable packaging solution. Let me assemble this product to show you. It is hold the bottle product is very well because we designed each cavity to follow the product's dimension and weight. If your product is too fragile, you can choose this material as your packaging solution. If you have any packaging requirement, you can feel free to contact us. We have a professional design team can provide various packaging solutions for your product. Thank you. Bye bye.